everybody. It's time to go to school.
Every morning it's the same old thing. Time to go to school. Time to go to school. Hey, Sunshine, how come you never have to go to school?
I can't go to school. I have a very busy schedule. Every day, that is.
Why don't you go to night school then?
Silly boy, how could it be nighttime if I'm around?
Excuse me. Did someone here ask for nighttime?
No. I said how could it be nighttime if I'm around?
Oh, then I'll just bag out.
Strange.
Now, where were we? Oh, yes. You better go to school, Fatz, or you'll grow up to be illiterate.
You mean like Beach Bear? Oh, come on, Fatz. How many of you guys can say you spent 4 years in the 3rd grade, huh? Besides, I have a very high IQ.
Then why don't you use your brains and get Fatz to school today?
Okay, I'll just use psychology. Hey, Fat, you know, if you go to school and study real hard, you could grow up to be a congressman or a senator or even a president of the United States someday.
You mean a big old stupid monkey like Fatz could be president of our country someday?
Sure, it happens all the time.
Ring, ring goes the bell. Summer vacation is really swell. But in the fall I'll be driving to class. That is if I only can find some gas. All of the kids going loop-de-loop. Ding-a-dang, bop-boop. Up in the morning and off to school. The teacher is teaching the golden rule. Recess and lunch, I think I can pass. But you can forget about algebra class. If anyone asks you what's the scoop, say ding, dang, bop, boop. Ding, dang, bop, boop. That's all you have to say. These words can guarantee romance and make your baby wanna dance. But if you hear it's true, say ding, dang, bop, boop. Hail, hail, rock and roll. Deliver me from the days of old. The music is hot, get out of your seat. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Shout, shout, what's the scoop? Ding, dang, bop, boom. If that don't bring a smile to your face, just think of my baby face. Ha!